Hey everyone, I'm Anthony, and this is the Biotech Brief, where I give you short and simplified updates about the biotech industry. This brief, I'll tell you about a device that is being developed to make cancer treatments safer. As you may be aware, there's a ton of activity from biopharma and biotech companies in the cancer space trying to find safer and more effective cancer treatments. Because as we all know, chemotherapy cancer treatments are often associated with not only their ability to kill cancer cells, but also, unfortunately, the damage they do to the rest of the body. But thanks to researchers at the Department of Energy's Lawrence Berkeley National Lab, we could eventually have a device that can limit the harmful effects of chemotherapy. You can think of this device as a filter for chemo drugs. The idea is for the device to be inserted into a patient's vein close to where the chemo treatment is being targeted, like the site of a tumor, so the device can absorb the drug like a sponge before the chemicals can pass through the rest of the body. The trick is the material used in the device interacts with the chemo drug and nothing else, because the chemo has a different electric charge than blood. So to break it down, as the blood with chemo in it passes through the device, the drug molecules actually bind together and get stuck, while the blood can flow freely through the device. In case you're wondering why this type of work is taking place at a Department of Energy lab, it's because the Department of Energy has a lot of experience with fuel cell materials, which are what this device is based off of, because fuel cell materials are really effective at using electric charges to trap certain molecules while letting others pass through. In experiments with a popular liver cancer chemo drug, the Department of Energy's device has been able to absorb as much as 90% of the drug in about half an hour. As of now, the Department of Energy is continuing its progress with this device, and hopefully it can eventually help get it to patients. If you haven't yet, follow the Biotech Brief on Twitter, and I'll see you next time.